Do you know what usually causes late delivery? It's rarely your team. It's the chaos in your tools and processes. Too many tools, too many tasks, and no clear path from planning to delivery. Deadlines shift, priorities move, and work becomes harder to manage than to do. Stressful, isn't it? Now imagine the opposite. Projects run on time. Your team knows exactly what to do, when to do it, and what matters most. Delivery becomes predictable, not a guessing game. And that's why TaskFord was created, to help teams not just plan work, but deliver it. We call it an integrated work delivery platform. Because planning, scheduling, execution, tracking, financial control finally live in one place. And when everything comes together like that, here's what TaskFord actually gives you. Project and portfolio management. You can see every project in one clear view, so nothing slips and you always know what's next. Resource Scheduler helps you plan capacity, assign work intelligently, and prevent burnout before it happens. Time tracking and delivery accountability help you track actual effort against expectations, bringing clarity to progress, velocity, and productivity. Finance and cost governance. Set budgets, manage cost and billable rates, track profitability, and forecast financial outcomes. So every project isn't just delivered, but delivered profitably. Together, these create what your organization has been missing: a reliable, repeatable path from idea to delivery, with financial clarity and control. Stop guessing. Stop reacting. Stop fighting your tools. Start delivering with confidence. TaskFord, work delivered. Try it today.